wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop water dispensers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Kook Mason jar pairs classic style with practical functionality without breaking the bank. It doesn't stain, retain odors, or give drinks a weird taste either. It looks great in any setting and includes a stainless steel spigot. However, the lid can rust over time. At number 9, say goodbye to lead, chlorine, and a host of other contaminants with the Pure Ultimate. Its slim profile allows it to fit nicely in most refrigerators, while the pull-down tab on the spout makes for easy dispensing. A light tells you when it's time for a filter change. It's equipped with integrated carrying handles and also reduces pesticides and heavy metals, but it filters very slowly. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Primo top loading combines a straightforward operation with an attractive ceramic body and wooden stand, giving you fast, easy dispensing with a touch of elegance. It's taller than many, so you can fill large glasses and cups without a problem. It includes coupons for Primo water and is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. However, it feels a little wobbly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop water dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you won't find an option much simpler than the Lavo Home Blue Base. It's sized to hold either 3 or 5 gallon jugs, and you can set it up on your tabletop as well as some stands. It's easier to clean than many since there are no complicated parts or narrow openings. It comes in at a wallet-friendly price and is entirely BPA-free. It can be assembled in seconds. Moving up our list to number 6. An unbreakable and aesthetically pleasing design make the creativeware beverage an attractive option for when you're entertaining. Loaded with colorful fruits, cucumber slices, or mint leaves, your hydration station can also be a decorative centerpiece. A version with an infuser is available, and it's also suitable for juice. However, the spigot has to be handled carefully. Halfway up our list at number 5. The compact Brita ultramax holds 4.5 quarts and is made of BPA-free polycarbonate, so you can see at a glance how much you have left. A sticker tracks when the filter was last changed. It comes in your choice of black or grey, with a hinged top for easy filling, but is a bit hard to clean. At number 4, for a budget-conscious way to slake your thirst, there's the finedine jug stand. A simple and straightforward solution that lets you perch a bottle at an angle and pop a drip-free pouring spout on it for convenient refreshment that's easy on your wallet. The valve is dishwasher safe and the fast flow spigot installs easily. However, note that it's for 55mm non-threaded crowns only. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With the Avalon Premium, a tumbler full of cool refreshment or a soothing mug of your favorite hot beverage can be ready in no time. Just upend a full 3 or 5 gallon jug into the top and press a cup against the appropriate dispensing lever for the desired temperature. It features efficient chilling and heating, easy to use paddle spouts, and a minimal footprint. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop water dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, not only does the polished stainless steel housing of the Pure Company decanter have an elegant and sophisticated look, it also features a high-performance carbon purification system to ensure that your water is free of contaminants and any unpleasant tastes or odors. It's suitable for the refrigerator or countertops and comes with a non-slip rubber base ring. It weighs under 4 pounds when empty. And taking the top spot on our list. Like many others, the buddeez Party Top boasts a 1 3/4 gallon capacity and a detachable base, but it has a few extra features too. These include a tray lid that holds fruit or cups for serving, as well as a chalkboard tag for identification. 2 can be stacked, and it comes with an ice cone. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop water dispensers, or simply click beneath this video.